KI 1 skill spiritual, KI 2 skill sosial, KI 3 pengetahuan, dan KI 4 itu keterampilan. Ya, ini di kompetensi dasarnya ada titik 1 di grant book for the opportunity to learn English as a medium of international communication. Terus di KI 2-nya yaitu sikap sosial, demonstrating polite behavior in carrying out interpersonal communication with teachers and peers. Terus IPK itu indikator indikator penilaiannya. Ini ada attending and the English teaching and learning activity. Terus using English in the classroom at every opportunity. Terus di KI 2 itu di KI 2 untuk indikatornya showing polite behavior by greeting and saying goodbye to teachers and peers in English. Nah, ini mungkin terus ada demonstrating honest, discipline, and then demonstrating responsible, caring, cooperative. Nah, terus IPK-nya answering teachers and peers questions honestly, submitting assignment on time, being active in completing silent group tasks, and then respecting peers' opinion or ideas in group tasks. Ini yang pentingnya itu ada knowledge sama skills, pengetahuan sama keterampilan. Di 3.7 identify the social functions and text structure of simple spoken and written transactional interaction that involve asking and giving information related to the time, telling the time in accordance with their context of use. Terus di indikatornya ada identify expression used to ask for the time in English. Example, what time is it? Terus ada mention expression used to tell the time, like it's 7 o'clock, 6, 8:45, and then use EM and PM for extra. Terus ada menjelaskan explain the social function of expressions for asking and giving information about the time. Terus recognize the time structure of simple conversation involving time. Terus ada keterampilan yaitu construct very simple spoken and written transactional text that involve asking for and giving information related to time by paying attention to the social function and text structure appropriately within the context. Indikatornya practice simple dialogues involving asking for and giving information about the time. Tell the time orally with accuracy when showing the hands of clock, to jam-jam. Terus write simple sentence related to the daily activity using the time expressions like I wake up at 6 o'clock. Terus ada create a simple daily routine schedule in English that includes time expression for each activity. Ada learning goals-nya, kompetensi awalnya, students have learned about number in English and already know some vocabulary related to daily activities. Terus ini ya KI-nya di KI-nya itu students diminta untuk berdoa sebelum pelajaran dimulai. Sikap sosialnya mendorong siswa untuk hadir 5 menit sebelum kelas dan mengkondisikan anak-anak kepada beberapa grup untuk diskusi dan presentasi mengenai hasilnya dalam diskusi itu tentang day frames, daily schedule, time. Terus KI 3 yaitu knowledge, pengetahuan, students recall numbers in English, understand the difference between EM and PM, and make daily life activities to the use of English in the time in English. Terus KI 4-nya skills, students answer and demonstrate the positions of the clock hands correctly and practice speaking skills of the students running well. Jadi KI 1 lebih ke skills, bagaimana dia melakukan praktek dan speaking skills-nya. Terus ada learning responsibility. Terus ada meaningful understanding, pemahaman mendalam. Itu student mampu memahami penggunaan waktu di dalam kehidupan nyata. Terus mereka bisa menjelaskan waktu atau waktu secara oral, secara speaking, dengan menggunakan physical material such as clock. Terus stimulating questions, what time usually you wake up in the morning and what time usually you go to school. Nah, ini poin yang akan di modulnya materialnya tentang the use of time expression in English, numbers used in telling the time, terus the difference between PM and PM, and then relating time to daily activities. Media, tools, and learning sources-nya ada media selain PPT. Oke, saya boleh lihatkan itu at the time. But buat bukunya udah ada. Terus ada video, pictures, and juga ada audio. Terus ada tools-nya whiteboard, marker, laptop, infocus. Ada source-nya textbook and internet. Soalnya lebih ke aku tuh maunya praktiknya lebih ke tulis-tulisan. Oke. Jadi kadang cuma dua slide mungkin. Sini apa learning steps-nya, teacher greets students, terus setting the class atmosphere to be prepared for the next activity. Nah, asking leader for class to lead prayer before starting the class activity, ini masuk ke KI 1, yaitu religion day practice at the praying session. Terus sing the national anthem and Indonesia Raya, checking students attendance and asking the students not attendance in the class. Ini masuk ke pendekatan birthday, yaitu highlight di mindful karena guru bukan terhadap siswa yang hadir. Mengecek kan? Terus ada the teacher appreciates students by looking the previous lesson with the one to be studying today. Guru mengapresiasi peserta didik dan yang telah recall atau menyambungkan materi sebelumnya dengan materi yang akan dipelajari hari ini, hari yang nanti. Terus ini masuk ke meaningful karena memberikan recalling the materials previous. Terus ada the teacher explain the learning objective, potensi, achievement, indicators, and the material to be studied. Nah, teacher menjelaskan mengenai pembelajaran secara objektif, kompetensi achievementnya apa, indikatornya apa, dan material yang akan dipelajarinya apa. Nah, masuk ke sintaks. Ini teh ada masuk ke KI 1 sama KI 2. Terus ini main activities-nya ada 6 sintaks. Sintaks pertama, presentation goal. Nah, students are given goals indicating of the material. Ini sudah masuk ke KI 3, yaitu knowledge, integrated of knowledge by understanding the conceptual of time and answer and the Q&A session. Nah, di sini di sintaks pertama, guru memberikan trigger questions atau pertanyaan romantik untuk recalling their knowledge, kemudian number atau recalling pertanyaan romantik yang di awal yaitu what time usually you wake up in the morning. Terus the teacher asked the students are they understood about time and number in English. Menanyakan apakah student ini sudah paham mengenai number in English, sudah dipelajari atau belum, terutama di time. Kalau misalkan dulu mungkin PR bagi kita ya. Terus teacher explain that time important to use daily activities. This is meaningful. Emphasize about the time is important. Nah, ini juga di sintaks 1 ini masuk ke assessment of assessment, yaitu assessment yang dimulai sebelum pembelajaran atau ada tes diagnosisnya kan. Terus ada sintaks 2 itu presentation the information. Teacher does presentation interactive with the students. Nah, nanti ada beberapa PPT mungkin terus sama menjelaskan sedikit. gantungnya. Makasih sarannya. Terus sintaks 2 presentasi information. Nah, presentasikan materi ini. Teacher presenting practice and media learning, menggunakan media pembelajaran. Terus ini masuk ke deep learning, yaitu joyful learning. Terus ada sintaks 3, organizing students. Teacher arrange the students to pair, tiered atau in pair share students in one group that involve 2 students in one group. Students asked to make group pair with their friend, 2 people in a group. Teacher gives the LKS atau lembar kerja siswa. Teacher explain the instructions. Teacher observe the class condition and helps the students if there is misunderstanding. Nah, terus ada masuk ke sintaks 4, yaitu presenting result. Teacher allow the students for presenting their work. Di sini guru sebagai fasilitator, tentunya monitoring, melihatnya siswa apakah ada kesulitan bagaimana. Apa ya? Ini sudah sendalnya, bagian sudah sendalnya, sorry. Ini bagian core-nya sudah sendalnya. Sini di presenting result itu students mempresentasikan hasil kerja PPP-nya. Ya, terus example, students A tells the story himself, then student B practice telling the time on the material physically with the correct answer. Jadi plan itu aku mau jadi satu grup kan 2 orang. Nah, 2 orang misalkan aku menceritakan keseharian aku sampai ke malam atau sore. Intinya di bagian aktivitas itu ada jam-jamnya. Nanti ada media pembelajaran di waktu ke hari iya gitu. Terus ada ini nih, terus ini masuk ke joyful learning. Terus student in group ask to the turns presenting their story results, gantian nantinya. Nah, ini masuk ke keempat. Why? Karena present the task and encourage speaking skill and practice media learning. Terus sintaks 5 ada evaluating formatting assessment. Nah, di bagian ini masuk ke assessment as learning. Jadi presenting result itu masuk ke assessment as learning, yaitu assessment selama pembelajaran. Teacher controlling the presentation and give the feedback. Terus ada sintaks 6, giving appreciation. Before ending the class, teacher giving the little reward to the students. Nah, sebelum reflection di cooperative learning ini ada giving appreciation di sintaksnya. Nah, the teacher throw a fast question to the students, and then some students who pass their answer will give a present. Terus ada closing, ada reflection. The teacher and students conduct a learning reflection through method web. Ini masuk ke joyful. Terus the teacher asks opportunity students to summarize the lesson material. Terus the teacher ended the lesson by giving message and motivation to keep students enthusiastic about learning, followed by closing oral greeting. Ini udah ada tanda tangan. Testimoninya ada audionya. Ini dia juga ada buku. Ini kayak gini kan. Terus ini ada media pembelajarannya. Kurang lebih kayak gini. Ini OKS-nya. With carefully working curve, which you write down at least 10 aktivitas within the time. Remember your activities must be different and must include call proper clock and what the event. Then the terms presenting your story in front of the class to show your understanding and speaking ability. Ini user dulunya ada referensi pelampir, referensi pelampir, referensi ini sudah. Ini lebih